Good morning, fifth graders. Today is Wednesday, October 7th. Let's talk about what we're learning today. For your social emotional learning lesson, we're going to talk about self-efficacy, why it's important, and what it means to you. For social studies, we're going to learn about Cabeza de Vaca. You're going to read a little story about him that's on pages 85 to 87. If you would rather do it online, I assigned it to you online as well, so you can listen to it be read to you. For English Language Arts, we're not going to have a Google meeting today. I have a meeting with Ms. Gonzalez, and we're going to be talking about something important. So I didn't want you guys to have to come in late or anything like that. So I put all of your videos in your assignment for today, so you'll just watch them in your English Language Arts assignment. So we will meet for Google Meetings at math time at 12:35. So please make sure that you show up for that. We're going to talk about PEMDAS and the math that you did yesterday, learning about the order of operations. We're going to practice some of those together. And then for science, you guys are going to review the Skittles experiment that we did. We'll talk about what happened. And then we're going to start talking about forces and get some vocabulary in our journals about forces. Okay, so just to wrap it up, no ELA Google meeting today. You'll just log in and do your assignment. I will see you at 12:35 for your math Google meeting, and we'll do a science Google meeting also. Okay, and then for specials today, you guys will be going to art. Let's check in with our question. I want to know, if you could get rid of one of the colors of the rainbow, which one would you eliminate? So think about that and let me know in the comments below this video, which color of the rainbow are you getting rid of? And remember, rainbow colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All right, which one are you getting rid of? Let me know, and I will see you guys at 12:35 for math.